Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to capture the screenshot of your window with the help of your C# Windows Form application. So let's get started. First of all, go to your toolbox and take a picture box. In this picture box we are going to show our screenshot, for example, and I will just anchor it, just select it, and in the property I will just anchor it to the all sides. Okay, and then take a button. So when I click this button, it will take a screenshot and it will save it into the picture box. So write in the text, capture image, for example. Now I double click this capture image button and I reach to the event of this button click event of the capture image. So in here you need to write the code, which is this code. So I will explain what is this code. First of all, you need to declare a bitmap variable which will contain our image. So declare bitmap and give it a variable name is equal to new bitmap, and in the bracket we pass the width and height of the screen. So we are taking the screenshot of our window or our screen, so we will write screen dot primary screen, which is all the screen, dot bounds dot width. So first argument is for width. In the same way, after comma write screen dot primary screen dot bounds dot height. So this argument is for height. So this line of code will take the picture of the screenshot or of your screen, and the height of the picture and width of the picture, it's the screen width and height. Okay, and then in the next line we declare a graphic variable, so graphics, and in give it a variable name. I gave it as graphics is equal to graphics dot from image, and in the bracket write bitmap, which is this variable, as image. Okay, and in the next line write graphics dot copy from screen and pass these arguments. So first argument 0, second 0, third is 0, and fourth is 0, and the fifth argument is bitmap, which is once again this bitmap variable dot size. Okay, and in the next line write the name of the picture box. So my picture box name is default no picture box 2, so I will just copy it and paste it here. So my picture box name is picture box 2. Okay, so write the name of the picture box dot size mode is equal to picture box size mode dot stretch image, and in the last line you need to write the name of the picture box dot image and just pass the bitmap variable. So this contains your image, and you are just passing your image into the picture box. So let's see if it works or not. You just need to write this code. So if you want to copy, you can just copy this code only. Okay, so let's try and run the program, and when I click this capture image, it is supposed to capture the image and show it into the picture box. So let's see. Yes, it captures the image and shows in the picture box once again. Okay, it once again takes the picture and saves into the picture box. Once again it takes the picture and saves it into the picture box. So if you can see, every time when I click this button, it takes the picture and saves it into the picture box. Now if you want, you can also make a thread of this picture capture picture event, and you can show the picture in the picture box continuously also. So let's see how can we do that. First of all, we need to go at the top, and if you don't have the namespace threading, you need to take that into or write it above your code. So here write using, and then system dot threading here. So for using the thread, we need to import this namespace into our code. So just declare at the top, and once again I will just go to the capture event, and I will just copy this code. Or first of all, let me make a function, and in here we will make a new function. So write void screen shot and bracket and bracket closed, and in here what I will do is, whatever I have written in this button click event, I will just copy and cut it and paste it into this function which I have created, this new function. Okay, and then what I will do is, in this picture or in this button click event for capture image, double click. Now this is blank because I have transferred all the code here, and in here we will declare a variable called thread, and this is for pic thread. I will name it as is equal to new thread. Okay, and in the next line we will copy this thread variable pic thread dot start, and if you see, this is showing error because we need to pass this function, which is screenshot function, which we have created, and we need to pass it here. So what it will do is, when we click the button, it will start a thread and it will run this function, and it will transfer this into the thread and it will keep on running. Okay, and one more thing you can do is, because if you want to capture your picture continuously, we need to put this into the infinite loop. So you can give here the for loop. So I will write for, and I will enclose all the code in the for loops, this all code, and in here I will pass just 2 semicolons, and this for loop takes no arguments, so this will run infinite whenever or until your program ends. So what have you done? You make a function, new function, and transferred your picture code here, and enclose it into the infinite loop, and you have created a thread, and in which you are passing this function here, and you are just starting the thread with the help of this capture image button click event. Let's see how does this code work. So now I am running the program, and when I click this capture image, it's taking the image continuously. If you see, the images are changing at the runtime. Okay, so in this way you can capture the image continuously, but it takes too much memory, so you need to remember that your process will be slow. Now if you want to save the image into certain form like JPG or PNG format in some folder, what you can do is, once again I'm just copying this thread function, and what can I do is I will take a new button and I will name it as save image, and in here I double click it and paste my code once again. Okay, so in this button click event, when I paste my code, the same code, it will take a picture and it will show into the picture box, and you just need to copy this bitmap variable, and below your code you just write bitmap dot save, and in the bracket you just need to pass the path of your folder. So for example, I want to save the image in my binary folder itself, so I will just name it as img.jpg format, for example. So now when I run the program, and when I click this save image button, it shows the picture here also, and when I go to the folder, I will right click it and I will just click open folder in Windows Explorer. It will open the project folder, and I will go to the binary debug, and in here you can see the image of your screenshot which I have recently taken. So you can save this picture in the JPG or PNG format also by this bitmap function or bitmap variable. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned something new this time. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.